Hello everyone. So if you're a doctor looking to practice medicine in the UK, but you're really not keen on taking any exams like PLAB, that is UKMLA, or membership exams at this point of time, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to discuss about two pathways which will allow you to practice medicine in the UK without having to take any of the exams. Plus, apart from this benefit, you also have benefit of getting hands-on NHS experience in this process. Now, why are we talking about this now, that is working in the UK without PLAB? Because we all know that how competitive the PLAB route has become, and with so many doctors from across the world looking for opportunities to work in the UK, it can take months, and for a few, it has taken even years to secure the first job in the UK. Now, PLAB exams alone are no longer enough to guarantee you a job. The bar has been raised, and doctors are now required to continuously progress in their career. Along with PLAB, passing at least one part of membership exam and having a strong CV and good interview performance has become very important. The best part about UK is you can try for training jobs and non-training jobs simultaneously. You just need to be assertive, patient, and apply for maximum number of jobs. Now, I think recently we have 3 of our doctors who got selected to directly standalone FI2 job. I think 2 doctors got selected to direct GP training via MSRA score, and now 4 of our doctors are shortlisted for IMT training jobs. You just have to try multiple options rather than finding reasons. I know it is hard, but it will happen. There are doctors who applied for more than 500, 600 jobs, and then one job has happened. Now, I know it's getting too much, so I'll not talk about PLAB more in this video. I know all of you are here to know about what are the options you have apart from the traditional routes such as PLAB or the membership exams. So starting with the video now. So don't worry, if you're not ready to prepare or give any exams now, there are still plenty of ways to get into the NHS without these exams. Talking about the first pathway, we do have Masters in Medicine and Masters in Surgery programs offered by one of the top university in the UK. This is a GMC sponsored route. These are generally 2 to 3 year long courses where you get both NHS experience plus academic training to pass your necessary membership exams if you wish to take. Along with this, you also get GMC registration. Now, what are the major highlights in this? Or let's say, what are the major things involved? You apply for the program and undergo selection process. You will have an interview process. Once you're selected and accepted, you travel to the UK to start your course. You will spend 2 to 3 years working directly in the NHS hospitals. That is, you'll be training in NHS hospitals, gaining hands-on clinical experience. Along with this, let's say if you want to earn some money, make some money, you can also work part-time as locum doctor because you do have GMC registration. Now, this route doesn't require you to sit for any exams, which is perfect for those who want to start working right away. But while you're doing this program, you are expected to pass your membership exams if you wish to continue working in the country after completion of the course. Now, you've heard about the first pathway, that is the university pathway. Now, talking about the second program, this is the fellowship program. This is another GMC sponsored route that involves clinical training in India followed by guaranteed placement in the NHS. That's great, right? So what are the highlights here? So now you apply for the program. If you're selected, you have to undergo 1 to 2 years of clinical training in India. There are various accredited hospitals across India. After you're done with this, you will be, let's say, you will receive a guaranteed placement in the NHS for 1 year. After you complete your NHS training, you have to return to India. Now, let's say after this, you wish to continue your training in UK or you want to go back to UK, you can certainly go because you still have GMC registration. So if you wish to, you can always go back to UK and you continue your training or practice over there. Now, this pathway is ideal for those who want a combination of local training plus international experience. Now, you don't have to worry about PLAB, that is your UKMLA or membership exams. You just have to focus on getting the best of training from both the places. Now, both of these programs are great opportunities for doctors who want to practice in the UK without going through the traditional exam route. But I know at this point of time, you know about the routes. But now next is you have so many questions on mind. What is the tuition fees? What are the application deadlines? What is the type of visa that you will get? Will I be paid salary during my UK training? What is the eligibility? Am I eligible? So I know you have many questions now on your mind, and it's quite natural. So if you wish to talk in detail about each of the pathways, then you can certainly talk to us. The booking link is provided in the description box below. Let's say if you pass PLAB exam or if you passed part 1 of the membership exam, or if you have at least good 1 to 2 years of work experience in India, then you have an added advantage. Now, I'll not be able to reveal all the details about the fee, intake, specialty options here because we do have time constraint and there are multiple options, and it might be confusing for you if I just put the list on the screen here. So it's best you talk to a counselor and discuss about your preference. So if you wish to know further details about two programs, you can contact us directly via the link given below. At GooCampus, I think we've been helping doctors, or let's say assisting doctors for higher training in India, the UK, Australia and USA. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way. Remember, before we close this video, there are always multiple pathways, and if you are persistent and proactive, you can definitely find a way to practice medicine in the UK. UK is still falling short of doctors. It still needs doctors, just that the bar has raised high. So if you wish to discuss and know about what are the opportunities you have, we are there. So if you want to know what all are the options that's available for you because your final destination is to practice medicine in the UK, then we are here. Please talk to us today. All the very best.